To Capitol Hill now, with President Trump's 100-day mark fast approaching, the one major piece of legislation he's tackled, repealing and replacing Obamacare, of course, failing. But tonight, Republicans say there's new hope. House Speaker Paul Ryan today saying a compromise bill is gaining support, that the most conservative members of the House who said no the last time are now listening. But in order to listen, the new plan would now allow states to opt out of requiring insurance companies to cover Americans with pre-existing conditions. And what about those lawmakers themselves and their insurance? Theirs would not be affected. ABC's Mary Bruce asked them about it.
Tonight, a possible breakthrough in Republican efforts to overhaul Obamacare. The ultra-conservatives who blocked the first attempt now giving a new compromise their stamp of approval.
What made you change your mind?
The amendment. We got states to opt out of some of the regs.
The new version would let states opt out of the popular Obamacare requirement that plans cover basic health services. It could also gut protections for people with pre-existing conditions, something the president once promised not to touch.
Are you going to make sure that people with preconditions are still covered?
Yes, because it happens to be one of the strongest assets.
The plan's supporters insist those with pre-existing conditions would be protected in other ways.
It's all covered.
But one group of people who may not have to worry, members of Congress. These new changes would not apply to them. Under the new Republican plan, they are exempt for now.
What about this exemption? If this plan is good enough for the American people, shouldn't it be good enough for members of Congress?
It should be. I agree.
So you're going to make a change?
Yes.
Guys, we got to go.
Yeah, I do have to go, but I will say this, it will be fixed.
And Mary Bruce with us live tonight from Capitol Hill. And Mary, let's get back to that, because many Americans, when they hear that some of these lawmakers are proposing a new way to repeal and replace, and yet those lawmakers, their insurance would be exempt.
David, lots of concern about this, but lawmakers insist they will not get special treatment. And now that conservatives are on board, the political pressure here is on the moderates to see if they can back their own party's plan.